Hello and welcome. I apologize, I am not doing my signature painter's tape pull at the beginning of this video, but there was one strip of tape left on the ream, so here we are. I am going to jump right into today's painting. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. The technique I'll be doing today is a straight pour. Here I am layering the light blue permanent and metallic white. I'm going to pour that as a traveling straight pour on the perimeters, well, one side of the canvas, and then pour it directly on the other side. Then I will layer my colors and pour them directly in the center of the metallic white that you see there on the canvas. I'm going to stop talking now. I'll let you enjoy this acrylic painting and talk to you again during the wet result. here it is. So I told you guys it was a snowstorm, and there's a lot of snow everywhere. So it's only right that I do this outside. And as you can see, some of the glitter has already started to fall off of the painting, and it's snowing. Look at that. Perfect timing, Denise. So I'm going to show you what I do to knock off the excess glitter and the crushed glass. I'm just going to pick it up, see how it's already falling off, and I'm just going to shake it. And I'm not hitting the actual composition or like the side of the canvas. I'm just tapping the back of it. And some of that is snow, but there is a few glitter. There's a few pieces of glitter, like right here. And I don't think I can get that off now. That's actually in the paint. So that's why I like to, like where I don't want the glitter, I like to use a tweezer and pick it out. The same with the crushed glass, so that it's not, it doesn't look out of place. But this looks fine there. Oh, my hands are cold. That is, I gotta take this painting in the house because it's getting wet from the snow. But here's the dry results. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Here it is. Turn the flash on again so you can see the shimmer. It's so pretty. All of the colors have metallic in them except for the titanium white that I layered with the light blue permanent. But there was metallic white in that cup. So it's gonna be shimmery as well. All of the decisions that I made in this painting came while I was pouring. What I planned, this isn't the end result of that. But I absolutely love this center area here where the deep violet fades into the Israeli crimson, into the copper. Oh, it is so, so pretty. And I had to use a metallic white because I knew I wasn't going to be able to hide it the way that I wanted to pour the straight pour. So, like I said, all of the decisions that I made isn't what I planned, but this is so pretty. Next time, I'm going to pour the perimeters just how I did in this one, not pour the center flow or whatever until I'm ready to, then pour my center or whatever areas of the canvas I decide to pour it at, then stretch it all out at the same time. That way I can keep more of the perimeter and it'll flow into the actual composition. So stay tuned for tomorrow's painting. You've seen yesterday's painting dry, so stay tuned for this painting dry in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching.